Disclaimer: this video is for educational purposes only. Hacking into accounts without permission is illegal and unethical. Always use your knowledge responsibly. Today we're checking out how to use a password list to hack accounts. It's a simple logical process where a loop runs, checking one password at a time. If the password matches, the loop stops and the password is found. We use a for loop and an if statement for this. Let's see an example. Imagine a page we're trying to crack. As a hacker, I want to hack an account. First, I type the social media login page API. Second, I enter the user ID or username and submit it. Now we wait. When the password is found, it stops the loop and outputs the password.
How does this work in code? First, I create two input fields, one for the API and one for the user ID. Upon submission, I use an array, which is our password list. The loop runs, checking the array values against the account's password. When a match is found, the loop stops and the password is printed out.
Remember, this is just a demonstration. In real life, passwords should include numbers, characters and symbols like @ $%, and. If your password is not in the array or password list, the hacker won't get your account. So next time, create a strong password. That's all for today. See you in the next video. For more informative videos, subscribe to our channel.